So a wee Honda Civic. It's not as good as that Honda Civic, but springs are intact in that one. This one has got two broken springs. There you go, you can see where that bit went to. It's quite shiny up there, so it looks like maybe it's had new bearings in their KYB shocks, so it's had shocks at some point. Sure it's KYB, sure it is. It's got that red sticker, so I think KYB shocks on it. And unfortunately this one's busted as well. I think I'm really strong, but I shouldn't be able to move a coil spring, so that's busted. So it's going to need two springs, two anti-roll bar links, because look at the neck of them, man, you're never getting them nuts happy there. So they'll be knackered. Got the longer ones on it. I thought these had those wee tiny short ones that make those horrific noises. And it could be done with 4 tyres. They're still legal, but they're really all poor condition. This one's actually got a chunk out it, which is through to the cord there, so a bit of detail on that. Cracked and perished, really poor tread on it. Again, cracked and perished, really poor tread. An 18 date code, so it's not too bad for the age wise, but 2015. And then again, really badly cracked and perished. So it could be doing with 4 tyres, 2 springs. It's doing a lot of bits done, to be honest with you. It's just Honda in Scotland. Typical rotten. So, could be worse, but 2 broken springs, 2 anti-roll bar links, and 4 tyres it could be doing me. Hey guys, Honda Civic, not classic. Let's see exactly how long these are. What do you think? Let's get some butchers. Technology, Uniroyals. Oh, yeah. I'm going to phone his dad. Who's my dad? So let's get our butchers and see. That's not very good. That's not very good. I think what's happened there, hopefully, because that's still a good bit of thickness on there. Hopefully that's just got seized in there, it's just been binding and we can recover the caliper. So see. So we'll get it all ripped off and see. You know. So this one's okay, this side's okay, but I'm going to do the set. A set of P's and D's on it. Let's get some toolies. Right, so now. Back here. Alright. There it goes. Alright. Couple of rocks filled. Down there. Apologies to get this compressor again. Just have a nice clean one to have it. Honda's 12, 14, 17, pretty much what you need. 10, 12, 14, 17, something to drive up a hammer. That's pretty much it. The Honda's like 12, 10, 14, 17, 19 on the wheel nuts. That's pretty simple stuff. Right, moment of truth time. Right, so the slide pins, these here, these are very difficult to get out. I can see what's happened. I'm going to try and remove the tubes and see if I can clean up underneath them, because this will probably just happen again. We need to put the bigger rugger with a ½ inch and a bit of force. But good news, we'll show you this, Felix, here if you can see that caliper's going back. I've already unstuck the boot. so it's just not been slightly back and forward as freely as it should have been. And that's that caliper holding back there. So now we'll see if we can get these out of here. I don't want to go really down. So you can see all the powder, if it focuses. You see all that crap in there. We'll try and get the rubber boot out of there and see if we can fix that. See if we can fix it. It's not going to be lasting very long like that. Right, there you go. So I'm taking the rubber tubes out. You can see those rubber tubes. You can see why it's set up the pads and discs. So if you have a Honda that's eating up pads and discs, I suggest you get in there and clean that out. So there you go. Top tip on that. We'll go for a new battery. Oh, he's flying now, Mr. Nikita. Oh, I'm covered in that crap. So you've seen what we've done there. Much the same, the bottom one. Much the same. You see it all in that, how crusted up. You'll get all that taken care of. What we've done is you see it, we've put grease. And I'd imagine they'll slide in out of there nice now. So, get this one clean. Okay, so pads are nice and free. Of course they're apec pads and discs. You see spring here, but yeah, we'll manage. Yeah, we've not too bad. You see it. It's because of spring here. There's all sorts of mayhem. Right, so you can see what we've did. Now I'll slide back and forward in there now. No bother. Now these have all been taken out and greased. You can see it up there, it's moving nice and freely now. Moving nice and freely. All of that. So just the other side to do now. We'll get cracked on and get that done. So this side in a puncture still.